Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Artificial intelligence is a game changer. Imagine AI that assists you in real time. That's the power TGPT brings to your fingertips. AI can analyze vast amounts of data. It can spot patterns humans miss. In hacking, this is invaluable. TGPT harnesses this power. It helps you find vulnerabilities faster. It can even automate complex tasks. Think of TGPT as your AI hacking partner. It's always learning, always evolving. With TGPT, you're not just keeping up, you're surging ahead of the curve. Welcome to the future of hacking. Let's talk about TGPT. It's an AI chatbot. But this one is built for hackers, by hackers. Imagine a tool that understands the unique needs of cybersecurity experts and ethical hackers. TGPT is designed to be your go-to assistant in navigating the complex world of hacking. You interact with TGPT right from your terminal. No fancy graphical interfaces, just pure, raw power. This means you can stay in your flow, focusing on the task at hand without unnecessary distractions. It's streamlined for efficiency. TGPT is powered by the latest advancements in AI. It understands your commands. Whether you're probing for vulnerabilities or scripting an exploit, TGPT is there to assist you with precision and speed. It learns from your interactions. The more you use it, the more it adapts to your style and preferences. This means that over time, TGPT becomes an even more powerful ally, tailoring its responses to fit your unique hacking methodologies. The more you use it, the better it becomes. It's like having a personal assistant that grows smarter with every command you give. This continuous learning process ensures that TGPT remains at the cutting edge of hacking technology. But here's the kicker. TGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's a versatile tool that can generate code snippets, automate tasks, and even help you write complex scripts. It's like having a coding partner who never tires and is always ready to assist. It's a tool for generating code. Need a quick script to automate a repetitive task? TGPT can whip it up in no time. This saves you valuable time and allows you to focus on more critical aspects of your projects. Need a shell command? TGPT will write it for you. Whether it's a simple command or a complex sequence, TGPT has the capability to understand and generate the exact code you need. Want to automate a task with Python or Bash? TGPT has you covered. It can help you write scripts that streamline your workflow, making your hacking endeavors more efficient and effective. TGPT is your secret weapon in the digital world. It's not just a tool, it's an extension of your hacking prowess, amplifying your capabilities and helping you achieve your goals faster. It's time to unleash its potential. Dive into the world of TGPT and discover how it can transform your hacking experience. With TGPT by your side, the possibilities are endless. Ready to experience the power of TGPT? Installation is a breeze. TGPT is designed for accessibility. Whether you're on Linux or Windows, getting started is simple. For Linux users, open your terminal, type in the following command, then press enter, bash pip install TGPT. Windows users, it's just as easy. Open your command prompt. Run this command, bash pip install TGPT. That's it. TGPT is now installed on your system. You're just moments away from AI-powered hacking. Let's get our hands dirty. Open your terminal, type TGPT. You'll see the TGPT prompt, ready to assist. Now let's say you want to list all files in a directory, including hidden ones. Normally you'd have to remember the command ls-la. With TGPT, it's much simpler. Just type list all files including hidden ones. TGPT will instantly generate the correct command ls-la. Hit enter to execute it directly from the TGPT interface. That's the beauty of TGPT. No more memorizing complex commands. Just tell it what you want to do. TGPT takes care of the rest. Section 5. Beyond the Basics. Crafting Custom Scripts. TGPT is a master of automation. It takes the complexity out of scripting and coding, making it accessible to everyone, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Let's say you want to automate a network scan using Nmap. This is a common task in cybersecurity, but it can be time-consuming to set up manually. Normally, this would require writing a bash script. You'd need to know the exact commands and syntax and ensure everything is correct to avoid errors. But with TGPT, you simply describe what you need. Imagine telling your computer, in plain language, what you want it to do, and it just does it. For example, you could say write a bash script to scan all IP addresses in a given range using Nmap. TGPT understands this request and gets to work. TGPT will generate the entire script for you. It takes care of all the details, ensuring the script is efficient and error-free. It will use the proper Nmap syntax, so you don't have to worry about learning or remembering it. It will even include error handling. This means your script will be robust and able to handle unexpected issues without crashing. Just copy, paste, it's that simple. No more spending hours debugging or rewriting code. No more wasting time on repetitive coding tasks. TGPT frees you from the mundane, allowing you to focus on more critical aspects of your work. Let TGPT do the heavy lifting while you focus on what matters, exploiting vulnerabilities, enhancing security, and staying ahead of potential threats. With TGPT, you can achieve more in less time. Section 6. Python Power-Ups, Automating with TGPT. TGPT's scripting prowess extends to Python, making it an invaluable tool for developers and cybersecurity experts alike. Imagine the possibilities when you can automate repetitive and complex tasks with just a few commands. Let's say you're building a tool for brute forcing passwords. This is a common task in penetration testing, where you need to test the strength of passwords by attempting multiple combinations. This often involves complex loops and conditional statements, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors if done manually. Writing such scripts from scratch requires a deep understanding of programming logic and syntax. Instead of writing all that code manually, describe the logic to TGPT. You can simply outline what you want the script to do, and TGPT will handle the rest, generating the necessary code efficiently. For example, you could say, write a Python script to brute force a website login form with a list of passwords. TGPT will understand your requirements and produce a script tailored to your needs. TGPT will generate efficient Python code that follows best practices and optimizes performance. This means you get high-quality code without having to spend hours debugging and refining it. You can customize the target URL, the password list, and other parameters to suit your specific needs. TGPT's flexibility allows you to tweak the script as much or as little as you want. TGPT takes care of the rest, handling the heavy lifting of coding so you can focus on more strategic aspects of your project. It ensures that the code is not only functional, but also optimized for performance. With TGPT, you become a coding powerhouse. The tool empowers you to tackle complex coding challenges with ease, boosting your productivity and efficiency. Automate complex hacking tasks effortlessly, allowing you to focus on analyzing results and planning your next steps. TGPT streamlines your workflow, making you more effective in your role. Free up your time to focus on the bigger picture. With TGPT handling the coding, you can dedicate more time to innovation, strategy, and achieving your goals. Automate with TGPT and unlock your full potential. Section 7. Bash Wizardry. TGPT takes command. Bash scripting is essential for any hacker, but it can be time-consuming. TGPT streamlines the process. Let's say you need to automate a series of commands for privilege escalation. Describe the workflow to TGPT. For example, write a bash script to check for sudo binaries, identify potential vulnerabilities, and attempt to gain root access. TGPT will generate a sophisticated bash script. It will include all the necessary commands, checks, and error handling. You can then execute the script directly from TGPT. TGPT transforms you into a bash scripting wizard. Automate even the most intricate hacking workflows with ease. Section 8. Interactive Intelligence. Elevate your hacking workflow. TGPT isn't just about generating code, it's about interaction. Engage in real-time conversations with TGPT to refine your hacking strategies. For example, let's say you're analyzing a target system. You can ask TGPT for suggestions on potential vulnerabilities based on the operating system and software versions. TGPT can analyze this information instantly. It can cross-reference its vast knowledge base of exploits and attack vectors. This interactive intelligence gives you a significant edge. TGPT becomes your virtual brainstorming partner. Together, you can devise sophisticated attack plans and execute them with surgical precision. Section 9. TGPT, the future of efficient hacking. In the ever-evolving landscape of hacking, efficiency is key. TGPT empowers you to hack smarter, not harder. No more wasting time Googling commands or searching for scripts online. TGPT provides instant access to a vast repository of hacking knowledge. Whether you're a seasoned hacker or just starting out, TGPT can significantly boost your productivity. Focus on what truly matters, exploiting vulnerabilities and achieving your objectives. TGPT is more than just an AI chatbot. It's your secret weapon in the digital world. Embrace the power of AI-driven hacking and unlock a whole new level of efficiency.